What's up, guys? So, as you can see, we're in the office with Damien here.
Hi.
So, today is a very special day because I am flying out to Final Bout and checking it out because it's been a dream of mine.
I'll be the guy taking him to the airport.
Yeah. We saw a penis today.
Oh, yeah, you'll have to edit that into the video.
But, for real though, got a lot of stuff that I am loading up. You can see my weed posters. But, do what?
So you might have to blur those out.
There ain't no yams. I don't see no napples. But I'm getting everything situated as far as videos copied over, GoPros ready to go. Tried last night. It was a very, very big struggle bus. But almost ready to go. But to go shave the old dome.
There's nothing there to shave, guy.
There's peach fuzz like a kiwi.
It's like a cat tongue.
Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and probably place our order for our lift today for the shop. As well as we're going to go ahead and, I guess do some filming of road.
Something.
I'm going to do my best to edit this as I go to the airport and all that. And hopefully have this video up tonight because I've been slacking. Bad.
Yeah, we got to start uploading more.
Yeah, so while I'm up there, any downtime I have, I'm going to be editing videos from the 34, from the shop, along with everything else. So please be patient. Thank you guys for all the support.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know most of you aren't subscribed. I think the ratio is 7% of our viewers are actually not subscribed. So I'm watching you. Let's get those numbers up. Amateur numbers. I guess. I don't know. What do you think?
Subscribe or you'll die.
You heard it from David Hasselhoff Jr.
Lung cancer if you don't subscribe, so do it.
Yeah, you better listen to him.
Say.
We're gonna butt fuck you with a shovel.
Probably shouldn't put that in the video.
What, the butt fucking or the lung cancer?
No, you put the lung cancer in there. But, I'm telling them right now. You gotta subscribe.
Okay. Don't say.
Your rats. See if I can put the tape on the side of it. On the side, it still says the right thing.
So we had a quick stop at Heath Freeman's place. Shout out to the boys at GS. We dropped off my SSR 15-inch meshies over there, and they're going to do something cool with them. But huge shout out to the driver today for saving the day.
This man decided to talk for fucking 40 minutes. And
it was not that bad.
He's gonna miss his flight probably.
If I miss my flight, that's the end of this video. So keep watching because right now I board
the thumbnail of this video is either gonna be John at fucking Final Bout or John sitting in his house with 17 empty cans of alcohol.
So yeah, that's gonna be the situation.
What say turn right?
Stay straight.
I can't. I tried for so long, dude. I can't do it no more.
You can't do it no more?
I gotta let the truth out.
Well, just stay in this lane. I think we Gucci.
God damn you slow fuck, get out of the way. Thank you. Get better than me.
We might make it because this dude is has already cut our time down by 3 minutes.
We've only been driving for 10.
So stay tuned. So made it through TSA. Heading to our gate. We're gonna make a quick pit stop. Go from there. So tonight, got the touchdown in, well, Green Bay. I don't know where I think I am. But anyway, check out the new rig. I'm gonna keep it real with you, my bald ass head is cold as hell. And I am getting in this car. And I think Shaq has driven this thing because I can't even touch the freaking thing. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. So, with that being said, it has been a long afternoon to get here. I'm gonna go to the hotel, edit this video, and hopefully I can maybe see some cool cars on the way. If not, I'm so sorry. Here's a vlog post for today, getting to Final Bout. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Volkswagens are weird. Thank you, Hertz, for letting me rent this. But I'll see you guys at the hotel. Didn't see any cool cars on the way, but on my way to the room to edit. So here at the hotel and editing on this footage, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who follows us, likes and subscribes to all of our stuff. I hope y'all stay tuned for tomorrow, which is going to be a lot more interesting and way more fun. I promise you that. Again, to all the people who've known me for a very long time, well, I say a long time, we want to go to Final Bout for a hot minute. And this has been a dream come true. And honestly, this year has been one rocky yet adventurous year. We're not even done yet. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode where we actually go see some cool drift cars and meet a lot of the internet homies. Look forward to meeting y'all, and have fun and be safe out there, guys.